The concept for our group project is magnetic flux density. So, what is magnetic flux density? Magnetic flux is defined as the magnetic flux passing through unit area taken perpendicular to the field. The formula of magnetic flux is phi equal to B A cos theta, where B is the magnitude of the magnetic field, A is the area of the surface, and the theta is the angle between the magnetic field line and the normal to the A.
A very good evening to our lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Nicholas Ang, and our group has decided to do a GUI on magnetic flux. So basically what we have created here is a calculator for magnetic flux. So before I get into the codings, let me just show you how the app works. So over here, the variables are varied when you slide it. So for magnetic flux, the formula is BA cos theta. So over here, there's a setting for magnetic field, for area, and also the angle between the plane and the field. So let me demonstrate it, how does it work. So when you slide this, after you slide all these to the value you want, you can click start operation, and over here it will actually show you the value of the magnetic flux. So let's try a few more values. And then let's see what happens when B is 0. So when B is 0, the magnetic flux is 0, which is consistent with the formula. And then when A is 0 as well, the magnetic flux is 0 also. So this is basically how the app works. Now let's get into the coding for this app. So at first, I created a callback function from the button, which I named it start operation. So basically what I want is, after the user slided the value that they want, after they press the button, it will calculate the magnetic flux. So over here, I created a callback for the button. So when the button is clicked, this will be executed. And then basically, this is the formula for magnetic flux, which is the magnetic field times area and cos the angle between the normal of the plane and the magnetic field. So this is basically it.
A good example of application of magnetic flux density is induction cooker. Induction cooker heats a cooking vessel by electrical induction. An oscillating magnetic field is produced when alternating current is passed through the coil of copper wire underneath the ceramic plate of the induction cooker. A magnetic flux is then induced, producing an eddy current in ferrous pot we put on top of the induction. The eddy current will flow through the resistance of the pot and thus heat it up.